Hey guys, it's Arjan, and today I'm back into some more Roblox Airplane 3, and I am playing with Rosie, or Ellie Cutiekin, whatever you can call her.
Where are you?
I'm recording Airplane 3 for you guys, so you can watch. You can watch, and yeah. No! 13 players, we miss you.
So
I'm gonna join this one.
I'm gonna go to the shop.
I'm not gonna zoom my camera, and yeah.
I'm gonna pick the. I'm gonna buy the.
This is gonna be a real video, so just stay tuned. And yeah.
Yes.
Wait, what the heck?
I wanted to get a double.
Someone's. Wait, Rosie. Someone's arms are a Nintendo Switch controller.
Oh wow!
Oh, someone just restarted their character right away.
What?
After the game started.
Dad, do you want to play Starbucks?
No, we are in the middle of business here.
But I am in the middle of playing Starbucks.
No, more like Star
The
Wars.
big clonies.
Oh, wait. You can even see. Welcome, everyone. You are probably wondering why you guys here.
Okay, so what I'm gonna
Whoa! It's the Airplane 3 thingy. The Airplane 3 logo.
And episode 2 of the game is coming out soon.
Yeah, the part 2 is gonna be like half of the thing, right? You can call me General Poncho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. But I don't have any Robux, so I should try this in my first try. And yeah, I am poor. No, please take a seat. I'm already on the seat, so I don't have to worry about this text. And yeah.
And you listen to this.
What is it,
Listen to
Rosie?
this. So episode 2 of Starbucks is coming soon.
Yeah, episode 2 of Starbucks. Let's get to the point. I'm gonna show the kids Ronald and General Poncho. This is our target.
Is this like you're making your own?
His name is Ronald. You can see General Poncho this time.
Okay, training someone.
We have investigated and what did he do? I know, what did he do?
Yeah, what did he
That is where we are heading. I know, but what did he do to you? Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Oh my god. Oh no, everyone in that plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. Justice, Busket. But how will we get to the plane? I know. Good question. Follow me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see the door. Open sesame. Whoa! That's very cool. General Poncho, why are you so slow? Come on.
I have no idea why. Okay, understand. Alright, break time is over.
Everyone ready? Yes! Rosie, someone's arms are a Nintendo Switch controller. Going down, 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 down. Why do you have, the one that I'm next to, he's like sunburned. You have Robux to revive so you can do this in your second try? Just tell me you have.
Okay, so guys, please.
Someone's choosing the girl version and I'm choosing the boy version. That's the boy version! No! Why would you choose that? This is the girl version over here. That is the boy version. Are you confused?
What? Who are you talking to?
Oh, I thought this was in the boy version, but now he's not. No! Why?
What happened?
This girl chose the camouflage. Someone died! Sorry! You did it just in time. Looking good. I believe we are ready. Now let's check the system.
Okay, what does Hunter say now? Nice words. Stop calling me a witchy, dude.
What the?
Hunter.
Checking the plane. Why are you hacking? You're not reaching. Get a little closer. Oh, not enough fuel. Look. Oh no. It looks like we don't have enough fuel. We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. That is a fuel nozzle. There are 4 nozzles of them around the cave. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color.
Another ice ball.
Okay, here we go. And I'm all by myself. Oh. Why do I keep repeating the sounds? Yeah. Someone took the red one. Good thing I have still 2 more.
Destroy the rock. Big clone.
I'll fill the tank on once the nozzles are connected. Please don't die in this. That blue laser gets out your health. It sucks your health.
Destroy the whole world? The big clones are planning to destroy the world. That's what they're thinking of.
Okay, someone got the yellow one, and I can't bring 2 because they keep getting it. Come on! Excellent. All nozzles are connected. Filling the tank now. Filling tank. Filling tank. It's getting more blurry because I'm...
That is good.
Now we are ready.
Big clones are ready. But they have some laser ball. There it is.
I almost forgot. That is Pilot Clark. He will be our pilot through this mission.
I can still shoot them.
Okay, people cannot see Pilot Clark. Here he is. Please start the engine, Pilot Clark, whatever. Starting the engine.
Something's here. I don't know.
Engine's ready.
Are controlled by 2.
Opening back door. I'm under it. Rosie, someone just got smushed on when the back door opened. Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door. She is dying. And of course I'm
I'm
not.
gonna play.
It's already been 10 minutes. And it's still going. I might have to cut the video soon.
I'm playing Magic Show Story.
Oh yeah, we will play Magic Show until I complete Airplane 3. I completed that one time, right?
Someone said they made it to the end of the game.
Okay, this is taking too long. We will see you on the next video. Bye!